Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my coaching program for new tax preparers. I have a monthly membership for $97. You're going to pay for 6 months, but you're going to get 18 months worth of access. And this here is just a digital version of my full-fledged coaching program. And the only problem is you'll get limited access to me. Of course, for the price point that I'm charging, you'll get limited access. But what I'll do inside this membership is cover the core uh, process to set up your tax service, and I'll give you live hands-on training and assist you to make that happen. So what that means is when it comes to the EIN number and setting that up, when it comes to the e-file provider's application and filling that out, when it comes to help you understand the fingerprint process, when it comes to the bank account information and all those other different things that you need to have in place when it comes to having your business set up on the front end, I will help you live to do that. I'll help you do a Zoom call where we can go to irs.gov website and do the EIN letter right then and there. Once we do that letter, we'll take that information and put it on the e-file provider's application, which we need to put on there to process and do the fingerprints so you can have your EFA number, which is the 6-digit number we need to buy professional software and register with a third-party bank to collect our fees on our behalf from the client. And so this here is $97 for 6 months with 18 months of access with me will at least allow you to get my upfront hands-on live coaching training that's going to help you set that part of the business up. So at least with this version of the coaching, you will have your business set up with the main key paperwork that's needed to be considered a full-fledged tax service. But what you'll be limited in is having someone do an actual tax season to help with any questions and concerns you will have as a new tax preparer. You won't have that access to. But what you can do if you purchase this here monthly subscription for the 6 months and get the 18-month access, you will have an opportunity to do an add-on where during the actual tax season for $799 you can uh, hire me to have your back during that time frame because that's the most crucial part of the tax season is January through April. So that's what you can do with that add-on. And if you look at the dollar amount of $799 as an add-on and you look at $97 times 6, that's plus the 799, that come out to 1381. My premium coaching program is $2,000, so you save yourself altogether $700 if you were to take this route versus the full-fledged coaching premium program that gives you all of me step by step by step to help you set this up. And so long as you can live with the fact that this here option will give you limited access to me, but I will have certain things in place to help you get the answers you need to certain questions that you're going to have. Even with the limited access, you will have access to video trainings in the form of audio, video, and written content. So that's one of the major things this version of the program will provide for you, which is basically the same thing my clients get now. It's just you'll get it, but you won't have the full access to me because I don't have the time to give you that with a $97 investment. Uh, it's just the reality of it all. And so when it's all said and done, this is the alternative option to going all in and joining my premium coaching program, which has so much more to offer than you can get with this version of it. And if you want to learn more, you can hit me at 773-782-1320, and I'll see you in my next video.